In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Adobe Express AI to generate AI images. So you need to go to Adobe Express, and once you're here, you can go ahead and log in. You can log in and create a free account, and once you've done that, you'll be taken to the dashboard. So right now, the Generate with AI button will be on the dashboard. You can go ahead and click on that and it will open up a new window and it will ask you, what do you want to generate? We're going to go ahead and generate an image, and to do that it's going to use, I believe, a Firefly image. So it's going to use Firefly image free generator, and it's going to generate in a square. So what we're going to do, we're going to then enter what we want to generate. So this is the prompt that I've told it to generate. A Thailand flag sticking out the top of a mountain, blue sky, beautiful. We can add some reference images if we wanted to, and the composition of the image. For this video though, I'm going to see what it can generate without any reference. We've then got the content type. You've got, do you want auto, photo, graphic, and art, and so on. We're going to choose for the video photo, and then we'll keep this style on the same and we'll click on generate. Now we're going to generate this image and we'll see what it looks like. And there we go. Here is our image. It looks actually amazing. And that is all from a very simple prompt. Now, if we wanted to resize the page, we could do that. But we are going to need a pro version of Adobe Express. But if you're happy with these square images, then that's how you would do it. You can then click download in the top right hand corner and download as a PNG.